Alright, this is Jeep Liberty 2003. Alright guys, we will be replacing the radiator on this one. The radiator was leaking, and so the customer ordered a radiator, and we will be replacing that when the parts comes in. Okay. Alright, first off, we're gonna remove this crossbar right here. Okay, so I already removed the two bolts that was in here on this side, and then the two bolts on this side, and also already removed the rivets, from here. So now I just need to pull this thing out. Okay. Right, so we're gonna have to remove the cooling fan on this one, and then the upper hose, radiator hose right there, and also the lower radiator hose down there. So we'll be disconnecting that. Okay, so already. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and drain the remaining coolant on this one, and then after that we'll start removing the radiator. Alright guys, let's make sure we disconnect this line right here. Okay, right there, and then there's two bolts, one on each end. All right, then we'll be ready to pull the fan coolant out. All right, we have to push this red nut right here, and then there's a tab on the over here on this side. Push that tab and then pull just like that to separate it, to disconnect. Okay, all right. Alright guys, I will be using a size 10 sockets. Okay, here's one. Alright, and there is one bolt on this end. There you go. Alright, now that the bolts are off, we're ready to remove this fan, cooling fan. Okay, alright, just like that. Okay. Oh, sorry about that. Okay, get them off right here. Get them off. Alright, to remove the radiator, there is a bolt right there to remove on this side, and also on this other side here, right there. Alright, right there is the bolt. Okay, on this side right here, there's a bolt to remove here. Okay, and also one on this, on the other hand here. Alrighty. Alright, there is a bolt right there that we need to take off, and it's a size 10. Alright, I got him off right here. Alright, and same thing on the other side. Alright, I got him off. I just don't want to lose the this bolt. It's right here. Okay. We also need to remove the bolt from behind here. Okay, so here's my tools right here. Okay, and going through the back of the radiator right there, radiator brackets. I have to remove the condenser in order for me to pull the radiator out, you know, right there. Okay, and I'm putting the new one now. Right there is the new one. Got the new radiator in, and the again AC condenser. All right, so you need to remove the AC condenser before you can get the remove the radiator. Okay. All right, I got the new one, the new radiator in, the old condenser, AC condenser back. Okay. Alright guys, it's all put together. I'm sorry I don't have a cameraman, and anyway, we got them all put together here, and I'm vacuuming the moisture out right now. Okay. Alright, thank you for watching my video.